Today I want to give you 3 tips for adding curb appeal to your home. The first one is remulch the flower beds. Get a pretty red or a black to contrast, but remulching does wonders for making the house look really nice, and it makes those shrubs and everything pop. So that's number 1, add new mulch. Number 2 is something I've been seeing a lot of, is the front door. You can paint it, and while you're painting it, add a mat to the entry. So instead of just a welcome mat, put a rug underneath the mat that's larger than the mat, and then put the welcome mat on top of that. It just makes it look so inviting to see something like that. I see them all over the place these days, it seems. And the third tip, the third one is, while you're sprucing up that front porch, add some potted flowers or a potted plant, perhaps even a bench. It just makes it look so inviting. So those are your 3 curb appeal tips for today. Mulch, paint that front door and add the new welcome mat with the rug underneath it. And number 3 is add some potted plants to near the front door and or a bench. Until next time, this is Zelda with 14 Days to Sold.